Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my social media, which is the Modern Year Classic Size Happy Planner. I am going to be doing this for the week of March 28th through April 3rd. As you can see, the left side is already ready for me. It was the mishap from last week where I almost did the wrong week. So today I'm going to be using glitter paint. I pulled out the tie-dyed sheet, the mixed media one, and self geode. I'm not sure what I'm going to go with. I know that I want to kind of make it fun and colorful, so I'm going to start with this beautiful tie-dyed, and let me see if there's colors that match in these sticker books. So let's go ahead and start placing some stickers down. And while I do that, I wanted to say thank you. If you have just found me and you're brand new to the channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you have been here before and you're coming back, welcome back. I'm so glad you're choosing to spend some more time with me. I'm very thankful. So I'm gonna go ahead and start placing these really beautiful tie-dyed images. So we have really pretty images from this 5-sheet book from the Happy Planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and place a few of them across the page like I did, and I think that will be a great start to the spread. So we have Wonder, Hello Good Times, and Enjoy Life. So be filled with wonder. These are really pretty. If you don't have that book, this is really a fun book to have. It's hollow and tie-dye and different. So once in a while, I really do enjoy using this. So I'm just picking out some strips with quotes. I'm thinking that might be really fun. Okay, and let's try to add some glitter paint. It has very similar colors, but it is much more bold and dark. So let me see if I can combine this light pastel Wonder with these beautiful bold, kind of almost like jewel tone colors. So let's go ahead and try doing that and see what I come up with. These are a lot of fun to do. So wild, have a brave and wild heart. So beautiful, right? With the pinks and the greens, and it's just a lot of fun. I'll go ahead and place a little strip up here where it says wake up and be awesome. I'm just adding stuff to this beautiful spread, or let's hope it will be beautiful. So I found these curved boxes that I thought might be a nice addition to my week where I can actually write my video schedule and stuff. As always, this planner is my social media planner, so that means this is where I plan videos and posts and follow some of the fun stuff on here. I'm just flipping through this book to see what I can use, because sometimes I really enjoy bits and pieces of this sticker book that I forget about, so I just want to make sure. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and add maybe standing up like so. Some of these wild colors. Like I said, very bold. Even for a clear sticker, look how bold these colors are. It's gorgeous, and I love that kind of spilling off of my page a little. Okay, and then we'll do another one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this gray out of the page. I'm hoping to have a super neutral planner for next year. I think that will be pretty great. So I am using the same white pen I've been using, so the Ohuhu white gel pen. I love it. It is in my Amazon favorites. If you guys are interested, it does the job so well. Okay, one more of these like paint swirls. So let's go ahead and put it on the bottom right there. I think that helps a lot, and it brings that same image to the other side of the page. Okay, so I have all of these stickers on my hands. As always, I don't know why I do this to myself, but I always do. Anyhow, I will be placing them down in just 1 second, so I'm gonna start placing them right on the day, like so, like so. And then this one will go in the middle like this. And then it's getting full quite fast, right? I didn't expect it to fill up this fast, so this spread is kind of fun and different, like I said, but also I don't usually combine brights with pastels, so I wanted to see what that would look like, and I really don't mind the effect. I'm not sure if I'm loving it. I think I will know once I fill out this spread a little bit more. So I'm just pulling some tabs, and I will change the box a little. I'm gonna add this beautiful pastel look to the bold stickers. So give me 1 second. Enjoy the journey. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add this strip to the side like so, and then we will have the combination of the dark and light right next to each other. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and add these, which are the perfect length for the box, and you have that strip of a really beautiful bold, and then you also have a strip of that really pretty pastel tie-dye like this. Okay, I'm just adding one more quote right there really quickly. And then a couple more boxes. Maybe one more box. Let's see. One more box to make sure that I can fit all the videos I have for you guys, and I can plan them accordingly. I think I want to add some speckles maybe into the planner, because I know this book has like little speckles of dust, stardust, that I think it would look really cute all around. So Let's see if I can add that, and then I'm gonna add another wave on the top as well to kind of continue that pink galaxy feel. Yeah, I really enjoyed this book. Like I said, I'll add some stardust throughout and make sure it looks kind of fun and spacey. Okay, and let's add some to My Little Wonder. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and pop this back into my planner. And let's see how it looks in a planner and see if I need to add anything. But I think it's good, and I wanted to say thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. I'll see you soon, and have a great week. Bye.